Hey everyone, it's Anna with Adventures in Cardboard, and I'm going to show you today how to take that nice simple crown cutout and turn it into an actual crown. So it should look just like this long strip of weird pointy objects all together. You're going to start by taking this strip and bending it. So that just means taking your fingers. I like to use this technique where I kind of use my fingers and my hands to guide and soften and make it a little bit more flexible. You can also take the side of a table and use your hand up against it and either run up or run down to make it a little curved and bendy. Ooh, that's some nice, there we go, a little wiggle going on. So once your crown is nice and flexible, as you can see mine's very, very movey, jiggly, able to move, you're going to take it and start to size it. Decide which side is going to overlap which. So in this case, this side has incomplete thorn or pointy point. I don't know what to call them. We're going to call them points. And I'm going to make sure that's on the interior of my build. So that means I'm just going to overlap like that. And I'm going to put it on. Ooh, it's a little too big. So play around with it. Kind of try to find a size that fits. Perfect. I like this one. And all I've done while doing that is make sure that my horns, my little points, line up. So that interior line lines up with the exterior here. So I'm going to hold on to that spot. Don't lose it. Hold your place. Grab some tape, which I conveniently had torn already, and quickly lay down a placeholder. So that just means a little bit of tape that's just going to hold it in place while you make the rest of your tape marks. Alright, so I got my placeholder, and now I can take tape and actually secure my crown together. I'm gonna put a little piece on the interior, just right here. So I've secured the interior of my crown a little bit more, which means I can remove my placeholder and make it look a little bit nicer. A nicer piece of tape, something that's not as temporary. You can even pinch, just like with a sword, you can pinch the cardboard together to make it a little bit smoother as well. A little bit of a smoother connection. And that's it. If I wanted to, I could add a little bit more tape, but this crown is perfect for me. I'm ready to wear it. Ta-da! You now have made yourself a crown. You are the king, queen, ruler, overseer, dictator, whatever you want to be of your own realm. Alright, peace y'all. See you next time.